Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today I'm participating in an open invite collaboration hosted by three fabulous ladies. We have Bella from Bella D Design, Debra from Debra Gabriella, and Kylie from At Home with Kylie. And all you had to do was spend no more than $20 to do a Valentine's Day decor challenge. So my inspiration piece was this floral arrangements that I purchased from Winners, and the price was only $14.99. So I'm going to show you how I use this to style my breakfast tray for a romantic Valentine's Day breakfast. So this is how I styled my tray. Now I'm going to take you closer and give you more details as to what I did. As you can see right here, on top of this marble bread and butter cutter, I have some cheese that I cut in heart shape along with some toast. All I did was just use a heart-shaped cookie cutter in order to do this. Over here I have some of her favorite cupcakes in chocolate, and if you look closely you'll see that some of the candies on top is actually shaped in little hearts. I also have some raspberries, and over here I have a really beautiful scented candle. And then to the last but not least is something to drink. So right here you will see that I have two glasses, and this is actually apple juice. We're not really big alcohol drinkers, pardon me. And so I have some apple juice in here, and I just put some some raspberries in it. And that is all that I did. So once again, I would like to thank the three lovely ladies for hosting this collaboration. And I would also like to encourage you to go and check out the other participants. They have some great ideas to show you. And if you like this video, please like, please share, and please subscribe. And have yourself a wonderful day. And once again, this is Carol from Inspired By.